Immunity Boost, Original, Functional Shot by Vive Organic, the ultimate proactive defense combo. USDA organic, vegan, gluten-free, cold-pressed, ginger root, turmeric root, echinacea, black pepper. Vive Organic. Vive Organic is the strongest wellness from earth. Fresh ingredients like organic ginger, elderberry, turmeric root and echinacea are cold-pressed in a concentrated shot to keep your body battle-ready. Take 1 to 3 shots daily to support wellness and detox. What's inside? High concentration of ginger and turmeric root to kickstart immunity. Black pepper, echinacea, pineapple and ginger unite in harmony to create a delicious flavor with a bite. What it does: Vive Organic's power-packed blend of ginger root, fruits and echinacea is the ultimate immune system strengthener. Whenever your immunity is weakened, these ingredients work together to fight for you. Dr. Crafted to make Vive Organic shots functional. We work with a team of holistic specialists to create the strongest, most effective combinations of organic leaves, ginger root, elderberry, roots, flowers, grasses, fruits, and veggies. Function first. Vive Organic's Immunity Boost Original consists of organic pineapple juice, organic ginger root, organic turmeric, organic lemon juice, organic echinacea, organic ground black pepper. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.